The first contest question in today's biweekly contest is find most frequent vowel and consonant. So here we are given with vowels, and that means a string which consists of characters from A to Z. Now our task is to find the vowel, and also we need to find a consonant, and vowel is nothing but A, E, I, O, U with the maximum frequency, and also a consonant. All other letters excluding vowels or consonants have having maximum frequency. Return the sum of the two frequencies. Note, if multiple vowels or consonants have the same maximum frequency, you may choose any one of them. If there are no vowels or no consonants in the string, consider their frequency as 0. The frequency of letter X is the number of times it occurs in the X. Now, let us see. Let us write for this S. S is present for now it's just one time. Now I got U. U is present for how many times? Just one times for now. C is present for one time, just for now. C is present for one time, and then again a C here. So let me increment the count of C, and then I got a E for only one time, and then I got S is again incremented, and then another S again incremented, and then another E here, right? So let me increment the count of E and then S. So it is 4. Now if I take all the vowels aside and all the consonants aside, this E is vowel and U is also a vowel. Now, from the vowels, what is the maximum frequency? It is 2. From the consonants, what is the maximum frequency? It is 4. And 4 plus 2 will be the output for this first example. Now, let us go to the example 2, and we have, so here we got vowel in another map and consonants in another map. I'll tell you what does this map do and how to initialize this map. Now I have A for now just one time. So I am writing for vowels first. Vowels. Okay. A for one time, and then E for one time, and then I for one time. I for one time, and then A again for one time, E again for one time. That means incrementing. I again, and then E again. So for now, consonants everywhere are 0, right? The consonants max sum is 0. So at this moment in vowels, the maximum frequency vowel is A, and it has the frequency of 3. Now 3 plus 0 will give us a value of 3. Now how do you write the algorithm for this? Now just take vowel and also consonant. So here I'll initialize unordered map of character comma int. So I will store max vowel is equal to 0. Max vowel is equal to 0, and max consonant is also is equal to 0. Now for character C in S, every time if C is vowel, right, is vowel of, that means if C is an vowel, then we will increment vowel count, right, in the unordered map. So vowel of C plus plus. Now if max vowel, right, if vowel of C, the count of the character C as it is a vowel is greater than max vowel, then max vowel, that means the thing which we need to return, is equal to vowel of C, right? And else there will be consonant, right? Consonant, it will be consonant. So consonant of C plus plus. And if consonant of C is greater than max C, then max C is equal to consonant of consonant of C. Now at the last we'll be returning max v plus max c. Let us do a dry run by taking this algorithm here. Wait a second. Now here I am taking this algorithm for this example, right? Input s is equal to successes. Now I'm just taking this algorithm here. Now I'm initializing max v and max c is equal to 0, and I'm taking vowel a unordered map on also consonant unordered map. Now let us go to S. Whether is it a vowel or consonant? Absolutely it is a consonant. S is a consonant. Now consonant of C++. So S will be, as initially it is 0, as if there is no value then it will be something like, even if I give a value as Z, Z will be having a count of 0. That's what unordered map will store. Now, if consonant of C is greater than max C, let me not forget to initialize max V is 0 and also max C is also 0. Now, consonant of S is 1, which is greater than max C. So, it will be 1. Now, after that, I got U, which is a vowel. So, U count will be 1. Now, it is greater than max vowel. So, let me change it. Here, it will be implementing if vowel of C is greater than max V, then max V is equal to vowel of C. And then I have C, right? C is a consonant and I am incrementing 1 and it is not greater, right? Now after that I got another C, so I got 2 here, and max C is changed. Why? Because constant of C frequency of consonant C is greater than max C, right? So that's why I have changed max C. Now after that I have E. E is present for one time. Now is it there any change? No. And then I have S again. Here also, even it is not greater. That's how it works. And again a S, right? So I'll change max C to 3. Now, after that, I have a E here. Now, here changes max V to 2. Now, after that, I have S again. And if I increment S, I'll get 4. And 4 plus 2 gives me 6 as the output. I think it's clear, and I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. If you like this video, do share to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.